Okay, it's recording now.
Okay, hello, welcome to Shitty Podcast with Shitty Overlay, which took us 45 minutes to make.
see the overlay. Yeah, overlay took us time, but I'm proud of it. Okay.
Yeah, obviously we're proud of it. If something takes time to make and इतना effort लगे फिर भी shitty लगता है, चलो ठीक है. So this is
My
gonna
bad.
basically be like we're gonna talk about movies, we're gonna talk about games. This mostly will be unedited. Uh, yeah, pretty
And in
much.
case you're thinking about our tastes and quality, the only two water bottles I have are from WWE and Ghost Recon, which are both shitty games. So you should this is what you should
Don't,
expect.
yeah, if you want to like us, please lower your expectations.
That's perfect. Perfect starting to a whole
What an
new
intro.
podcast.
Holy
Yeah,
shit, we are
that's
so good.
yeah, yeah. The only thing that was missing was I don't know, some music or something. But like, what's the point? Because it's not gonna
Why?
mask our bad
It's
voices
not gonna
anyway.
mask our voices, it's not gonna make us look better.
Yeah.
uh Overlay to shitty hai, but like,
Hmm. चलेगा भैया क्या करना है अब
so what we're gonna do is, once we get into the rhythm of this, we will monthly have themes,
yeah
and our episodes will be related to those themes. But for now, we're just gonna, just so that we get sort of warmed up, we're gonna do whatever. uh, Trend chasers, cloud chasers,
yeah
the better ones. um
obviously
so we are just gonna talk about shit that's popular, and today we're talking about The Boys.
yeah because I mean we none of us have really caught up to Mandalorian and want to talk about it later when we
Oh
finish it.
yeah, I'm gonna binge Mandalorian once it's out
I
fully.
I
मेरे से हफ्ते
actually
हफ्ते हफ्ता नहीं होता है.
I betrayed you. I watched the last 3 episodes yesterday. I couldn't
I'm
stop.
getting off
Okay,
this podcast.
but here's
I'm
the thing.
leaving. I'm
But
sorry.
here's the
Bye.
thing. Here's see that's how you start a podcast. Okay, but here's the thing.
Yes.
What happened was I watched the last 3 episodes. Uske baad, so they introduce a couple of characters from the Clone Wars series. और मैंने Clone Wars नहीं देखा है. I know, shame
That
on
even
me.
I got to know because Reddit,
Huh.
I
But
follow every
so
fucking Star Wars
what
meme
they did
subreddit.
is like the characters are entering and वो लोग मस्त स्लो मोशन में शूट वूट कर रहा है like oh wow here's the character you know and I'm like कौन है ये क्यों I don't care
Clone
so
Wars, the CG show or the 2D animated?
the CG show yeah
Oh, okay.
yeah
2D animated is
anyways
like 10
talking
times
about
better.
something much more family friendly The Boys
The-
and, and so season 2 finished what a month ago almost
I think so, yeah.
yeah it finished a month ago cool show waiting for
हाँ
season
ठीक ही
3
है, just
ठीक ठाक है
amazing capitalism commentary satire,
yeah
just the
yeah
most amazing show, potential to be next Game of Thrones. बस ठीक ही है show.
don't jinx it no it's I mean here's the thing unlike Game of Thrones this one has already started to go off the path of the comic
Oh
book
yeah, yeah, yeah. No,
it's
this
not
is like,
following so they're already making shit up
yeah, which is fine because it's still good. Like,
yeah
the thing with D&D, जो Game of Thrones वाले writers थे, उनका just
huh
they're good at adapting. They're not good at writing.
yeah that's true so
Eric Kripke is a good writer, which is why this show's meant to be good. So should we like, okay, how do you want to,
okay let's
episode wise or just
no we'll
however?
get into the episodes and all so let's start off
Yeah.
with overall impressions of this season तो कैसा लगा compared to the last season 2 thumbs up. That's our highest rating, guys. No, that's 4 thumbs up is the highest rating. So, I'm not gonna give my rating right now.
Who else did?
Huh?
Ebert.
What Ebert?
Roger Ebert's rating was this. Two
What
thumbs way
really?
up. Yeah.
Acha, okay. Didn't
So
know
if we
that.
go 4 thumbs, oh, we're twice as good as Roger Ebert, guys.
Yes, guys. So see, ये होता है film school में आने के बाद graduate भी नहीं हुए हैं, we're already beating him. Okay, so watch out.
Fuck yeah.
RogerEbert.com.
So yeah, we Okay, you start with your impressions first.
Yeah, I liked it. Um I think season one had like was quite slow at the start, obviously, because they were introducing everyone and all that. Season two picks up pace really fast. I really like
Hmm.
that, and like obviously they go really crazy with it, and I love how like it's a not a mini series, but sort of like it had how many episodes? 13, right? Or eight?
No, 8 only.
Eight only, yeah, yeah, eight. So in 8 episodes, they actually like they took the time to introduce certain people and all, but they like how do you say it? They actually concluded a lot of story arcs they introduced this season. Like ऐसा नहीं कि they introduced a character like Stormfront, right? So like everyone knows Stormfront at this point. If you're watching this, you've already seen the show.
Oh
But
yeah,
just
this is gonna have spoilers, just saying.
हाँ
Yeah.
हाँ एक महीने बाद एक अननोन लोगों को देख रहे हो पॉडकास्ट पे ऑफ कोर्स इट्स
Hi,
गोना हैव
you
स्पॉयलर्स
can't. Yeah,
you
spoilers.
did
Sorry,
not
guys.
click on this because you were like oh my god I want to see what these people think about it without
Here's
saying
my
anything.
question. Why did you click on this?
Yeah,
You
exactly.
viewer,
I didn't
why
even
did
put
you
up a
click on
thumbnail.
this? What
टाइटल
the
भी अच्छा
fuck
नहीं
is
था.
wrong with you? Continue.
हाँ, so about our opinions. Uh, हाँ, no, I liked it. So like Stormfront. So I haven't read the comics and all, right? So
Yeah.
I when I saw all the news posts were coming out before the season कि oh this season is gonna have Stormfront and all these characters. I'm like कौन है? पता नहीं मेरे को. Why should I be hyped? And then I really loved her. Like even
Yeah.
before shit got crazy, the just the way they introduced her, like the only self-aware character in the entire show, it feels like Stormfront was literally just taking selfies, just talking to fans and everything. She's like, "हाँ ये बहुत टट्टी
Yeah.
है." I really loved that. So that's
Yeah,
where
like
they kept the
yeah,
gore.
uh oh, the gore. We will get to the gore.
Less nudity though. I think this season had lesser nude. No, slightly lesser nudity than last season. I think. I
I
guess.
was too busy looking at Starlight.
हाँ चलो ठीक है. That's a fair point.
The first episode itself had so much nudity. You remember when they go to the bar
हाँ.
and
Which
like
episode?
everybody's just
Oh, the
the
season one
pilot,
का. हाँ 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 हाँ.
first episode
Yeah yeah yeah
where like everyone is just fucking each other.
yeah. So like
Yeah,
season
so
two. Okay, it's fine.
I
You
mean,
know,
but this
chalega.
is a show that like all those stuff, like the nudity, violence stuff, those are just stylistic devices.
Hmm.
Main point of the show is capitalism is bad, guys. You are dumb for liking superheroes. Oh,
Also,
I
watch
wonder
our
what.
next season.
Yeah, also watch our next. I wonder what Scorsese thinks of this show. Um,
Oh,
but
is this
मतलब
cinema?
it's been 5 minutes into the podcast. हम already controversy deal कर रहे
See,
हैं.
listen, click-through rate ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. Okay, so if you don't catch the audience
Yes,
within the first few
guys,
minutes,
please click more. We want
और क्या
money.
click करेंगे? They're already watching it. Pause, unpause करते रहेंगे क्या?
No, like reload, go back, click it again,
Yeah.
just so
Reload
we
from
get
a
more
different
clicks.
browser, ad block वगैरह ऑफ कर दो.
हाँ, ad block off
सब
कर दो
कुछ.
please थोड़ा.
Because apparently YouTube is already like has started putting ads on non-partnered channels, which is crazy. Like they just went like, you know what, that money thing we really like. तो पैसा काफी अच्छा लग रहा है, so we're gonna put ads on you regardless. तू पैसा मत बना, मेरे को बनाने दे. So point being, बस बैकग्राउंड में वीडियो रख दो.
This
That's all.
again, this relates back to boys. This is basically the whole point of boys. Ki guys, this is
Hey.
what these fucking this is not scripted, guys.
Yeah, this is not
We
scripted. It's all very
I
real.
don't
It's
know
very
why I'm
gritty.
saying guys. I keep saying guys as if there's like a whole audience we have, which is like ये first video at least 6 महीने कोई देखने नहीं वाला नहीं है.
Yeah, and like why only guys? Come on, Madhav, don't be discriminatory. Come on.
I meant in the general sense when you say guys, you mean girls also. Shut the fuck. Stop being SJW. You know what? This season was also very anti SJW. It made so much fun of SJW. And
Yes.
speaking of SJW, have you read some of the IMDb reviews for this for the second season?
IMDb reviews, you really think I'm
Yes,
that brave?
because dude, you have to read some of the negative reviews.
हाँ.
They accuse the show of being SJW, and I'm like, did you watch the second season?
I don't understand. Like, एक
Just
तो
because Stormfront turns out to be a Nazi and they take her
हाँ
down, they're like,
हाँ.
oh, SJW. I'm like, firstly, Nazism is bad. You know that, right? You're supposed to take it down. Second,
Yeah,
they make
exactly.
fun of SJWs in the show.
Yeah,
SJWs are a fucking demographic for the like VOT or whatever
yeah, exactly. Like
to
one thing
exploit.
is weird is just recently, like it's not just with boys, but with a lot of other shows and all that. If you just include a topic, right? Doesn't matter
Yeah,
what your opinion is on the topic or what you're doing with the topic. If you
agreed.
include a topic, everyone thinks, oh, that must mean the show like wants to spread that message or is
Exactly.
is
Classic
showing it in a
example.
positive way. Like,
Classic example. South Park. Of course, nobody
huh,
nobody can take down South Park.
yeah,
But like if you genuinely watch the show, you'll realize that the show's making fun of bigotry and whatever SJWs are fighting against.
yeah,
And it's like dude, just understand satire.
yeah. Like people,
Hit it.
it's
It's not that
fucking
hard.
weird.
That's what she said.
Like just like boys may okay. So Stormfront is a Nazi, right? And
Yeah.
so like the whole season is like she is the embodiment of ki, theek hai, this is bad. Like Nazism should have stopped. Like it should stop. That's the whole message, right? And people are just gonna take that. Oh, इन्होंने Nazi character डाल दिया. That means
So
Ashoka
Nazis,
writers are
oh,
positive.
they are
This
like,
thing.
wow, this is so alt-right, guys.
God damn.
That's
Like, how are you so smart? Like so dumb, but still manage to pay your subscription for Amazon if you're watching this. Like how?
I'm telling you, आधे से ज़्यादा लोग
Torrent
ने
किए.
torrent मारा रहेगा. बिल्कुल torrent मारा रहेगा.
God damn.
But
So
yeah,
ask.
and then come the comparisons.
Yeah.
Like it's the same show. What are you comparing? Oh, season one was so much better. Yes, we know. Just because something is a 9 and you compare it to a 10, it doesn't make the 9 bad. It's still a 9.
Listen, this is the internet, okay?
That's
After
true.
years of
We
IGN
have to make
culture,
fun of that.
after years of IGN culture, a 9 is not good. Okay.
I legit want to see how much IGN rated boys.
Oh, हाँ, they
Just so we can rip on it.
yeah, I haven't really read not read kya. Like I don't watch any of their like movie or TV show reviews. Video games ka still I watch a lot of their content, but
They rated
I
it a 9 out of 10.
हाँ
Has a
चलेगा
little
ठीक.
something for everyone,
Everyone
including Nazis.
they feel represented. Let's not actually even go there. Like YouTube is like, bro, तेरे को वैसे भी recommend नहीं करने वाला था. Now you're down the gutter, okay?
You insulted IGN. You are bottom of the barrel algorithmically, my friend.
No, people are gonna be like, oh shit, like these are the real people, okay? ऐसे IGN वालों को नहीं करना. I stopped watching IGN 55 years ago, guys. There are gonna be people like that. This is the real kind of criticism we want. हाँ, तो going
But yeah,
back to
okay,
the boys.
back to
हाँ.
boys.
This whole
Still happen
episode
a
is
lot.
gonna be like that, by the way. Like boys, ये
Yeah,
सिर्फ
this
excuse
is our
है.
first episode. We don't know what the fuck we're doing. We're doing this because we're bored.
Yeah, it's
So
2 a.m. also, and like I
deal with
need
it.
to. Yeah. तो हाँ, boys का okay. Stormfront we talked about a bit. So
Yeah.
overall, let's just go through general impressions and
We are
all.
saving Bully Bitcher for last.
Yes,
That is an
Bully
inside
Bitcher.
joke.
Okay, we'll keep that. तो ठीक है, बोल. What else? What else?
So yeah,
You wanna-
okay.
Okay, let's start.
Uh
Okay, we'll do what thing. We'll go sort of chronologically how the episodes go. Okay, let's just go
yeah, I
over
think
bro
so.
episode 1 में this thing and then 2 and all that. So episode 1, right? We don't see Butcher at all. Like सिर्फ end में आता है. Yeah, of season 2.
Oh, we're talking of season 2. Okay.
Yeah, bro. एक महीना पहले खत्म हो. Come on. So Butcher comes at the end. So the whole episode is basically um what like just showing like shit is already on the fan. That's the
Basically,
whole
just,
message
I
of the
mean,
entire episode.
obviously, just establishing the season
Huh.
and good move to keep him for the end,
Yeah.
just building up our anticipation because he was arguably, not arguably, he was the best character. He still is the best character. And he, I think, yeah, writers knew कि he's like everyone's favorite, तो थोड़ा like tease करते हैं, anticipation build up करते हैं.
Yeah.
So it just made the start of the season stronger. Plus, it would be like if everyone's like anticipated to see him and you just show him in the beginning, बाकी लोग पे focus ही नहीं जाएगा.
Yeah.
So putting him at the end actually gave people time to get used to everyone else also. Establish everyone what they're doing, what place they're in. Abhi, okay, now we're gonna bring Butcher in.
Yeah.
Good move, I thought.
Yeah, I really like that. Like also there was that whole suspense, from the last season ka cliffhanger.
Right, right. Ki
Yeah.
where is he? What the fuck is going on? Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. And like I'm currently going through the Wikipedia because एक महीना पहले देखा था. I don't remember every
Yeah,
episode.
I thought I might do that also.
So, oh yeah, so the first episode introduces A Stormfront, but before that they introduce Stan Edgar, played by our very
Yeah.
own from Breaking Bad. Like
Oh,
he's
I
it
thought you
just
were about to say Far Cry.
no, I mean that also. I mean it just feels like he's also Mandalorian. Like come on.
And Mando, yeah, he's a good villain. He's a good villain.
I think typecast. He's getting typecast a little bit recently. Like he's just
But he's good at it.
yeah, he
Who
is good at it. Of
cares?
course, he is good at it. So I actually forgot that they actually introduced him last season.
हाँ, last season के end में only he came
Yeah,
or
yeah,
something.
yeah, yeah. So
Hmm.
like I forgot. Like I saw him this time in the first
Yeah, no,
episode.
that is why I rewatched the first season before watching this.
No, I didn't do that. I just read a little bit or recap type ka thing. I watched one of
Hmm.
those IGN videos on the recaps and
That must have been
yes,
accurate.
yeah, very accurate, very historically accurate. So yeah, that thing happens, and then the first episode ends with Butcher coming back, right? So that's all. That's
Hmm.
and it also sets up the mystery of who's the person blowing up everyone's heads.
Blowing up the heads, yeah.
Yeah, so that was pretty cool.
That
Uh,
works as a setup because spoilers, we've said spoiler alert. If you don't want spoilers, stop watching, please. Uh as if there's anyone watching. We like that works as a setup because it's not just at the end of season 2. From
yeah,
the start of season 2 only they're setting up the next season and they do it subtly.
yeah.
So makes sense.
Yeah, I like that. I like
These,
that.
these people really know what they're doing. They're so in fucking control of the show
Yeah,
कि they I can't see this turning bad only at this point. I hope those are not famous last words, but
exactly. I was just gonna say that. कि, Fuck, jinx kar diya. But yeah, I like that. But the first episode felt a little bit slow, except वो Stormfront wala part I really liked when they introduce her, and what a
oh
great
yeah,
introduction.
everyone's yeah conflicting with Homelander.
Uh,
Amazing.
Like come on, उसके साथ you're fucking with then like not really literally that happens later, but you're fucking with Homelander. So like ठीक है, there must be something to this girl that we don't know. And we also don't get
Yeah.
any like visual this thing representation of her powers or anything. Like she just shows up and she's joined the
Yeah, because
seven.
that's yeah, which is good because like again, that's not the point of the show is not look we have superheroes so cool.
Yeah.
Point of the show is these people are evil. So the powers don't matter only. Yet it's the character which matters, no?
Yeah. And they
So
also introduce Ryan, Homelander's son. Uh, that happens in
hmm.
the first episode. He just goes and meets Ryan, and not much else happens because the
I
first
mean he
sentence of
also
the
like end of season 1, but like yeah.
yeah, and they changed the actor. It's not the same guy, Ryan. At least from what I like, I did a Vikas list पे देखना पड़ेगा 2 सेकंड
Oh
रुको.
really?
Yeah, they changed the actor. It's a different guy. Or maybe he just grew up a lot and changed his facial
He
appearance
may
completely.
have grown up.
It's
May
weird.
have.
The Boys
That's what happened to
season
like
one.
Draco Malfoy between Chamber of Secrets and Prisoner of Azkaban, no?
Yeah, he was recast. Yep, it's a different guy.
Oh, then they've
Yeah,
got a pretty similar looking guy because I couldn't notice any difference.
they changed him. Anyway, so That's also a really cool thing that like this is, I think he's the first born superhero, right? Like not
Yeah,
the only
because
one
all of
to
them
have,
are
yeah,
created. Hmm.
yeah. Like first naturally born superhero, I guess, with powers and all. That was cool. The second episode, right? So Ryan gets mad. He pushes off Homelander. So that was a cool scene. Really like that. When
Off
Homelander is
the roof, yeah.
no, when like that happens, and then just uske baad, when Homelander is
Hmm.
kind of pushing on his mom, and the kid
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
getting angry.
That
Very
is, yeah, that's very like,
uh,
again, that's what makes Homelander also a damn good character. Like he's
yeah,
evil, but you just want to keep watching him. Mad credit to Anthony Starr.
Anthony Starr. Yeah,
Mad credit to him.
he's
Holy
so good.
shit.
He's so good in this show.
Holy shit.
God.
And he's also from New Zealand, where Carl Urban is also from. So it's two New Zealanders playing fuck all accents and being the two of the best goddamn characters in this show, dude. Homelander is too good. He starts off well and then he finishes off also well, no pun intended.
It's fine. And that's a scene from season one actually. That final scene of Homelander in the when his
Oh, really?
yeah. They said in some interview or something that they shot that scene and then they thought ki it's not really fitting uh, wherever they wanted to put it in the first season, and they cut it.
Oh,
Yeah, they said that earlier. So I was like, yeah, ye scene, come on, how do you cut that? So I
I mean,
think they,
get it
yeah, because
because,
like here it does make sense where they put that scene because he's at his like lowest.
yeah, it makes sense. But again, I mean, I guess it fits better than it would in season one.
Yeah,
But here also, I didn't think it fit 100%, but
yeah,
it was close.
yeah. That was a
So,
great scene.
I mean, yeah,
I can
Homelander's
you
whole like MCU will never do this. Like,
yeah.
okay, I love MCU, but they're never gonna do this. Give a character इतना depth, इतना भैंचो depth है उसमें माँ की आंख. He should have been named the Deep. And speaking of the Deep,
The
okay,
deep.
that's getting into my problems with this show.
Hmm.
I couldn't give a fuck about Deep.
I don't think we were
Every
supposed
time
to. I mean, yeah, at the end of like there is a
it's
whole
kind of like if he wasn't, I know there's like this really long arc
yeah,
which sort of connects to the main plot,
sort of.
um sort of, and it felt like they got him in just to get that whole connection. My thing is ki,
I
why?
just love Deep because he's just so funny. Like he's one of those
His
characters you
guilds are funnier than him.
no, it's not that he's a funny character. It's just that like obviously you
Yeah,
hate him.
you're supposed to laugh
Laugh
at
at
him,
him.
not with him.
Yeah, you're supposed to laugh at him. Everything
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
happening with this, and you know from the start, ki, like this whole redemption arc he's going through, and you're wishing ki, yeah, he doesn't deserve it. He doesn't deserve any redemption or anything. And like
Completely.
every step of the way, it's just life is fucking with him. The whole season.
Completely, yeah. He's just, and that's kind of why I couldn't give a fuck about him, because in a
Yeah,
show which is so character driven
yeah,
and like intricate scenes are crafted
yeah. It felt like
everywhere,
filler. It felt
and
like
yeah, it
filler in
felt
a lot
like
of ways.
filler. And I genuinely thinking, if he wasn't in the show, would I feel a difference? And it's like, no.
Yeah, that's also true.
Every time it cut to him, I'm like, yaar, khatam karo scene. Yeah, fine, he's talking to Gills. Ha ha, funny. Can we
I
get
was
back to the
actually really
show?
confused in the guild scene. Like, does he actually have this split personality kind of thing, or is it just like he took some drugs by the Hawkeye
Yeah,
rip off? Yeah,
it was drugs.
yeah, it was drugs. Yeah, later I had to rewatch it a couple of times. Then I understood again.
Ah, he's like mushrooms or something,
Huh.
as far as
By
I
the
know.
God, this show is crazy. कुछ भी हो रहा है.
That Hawkeye guy and the psychiatrist and the
Yeah,
whole church, whatever. It's like, so fine. It's fine.
And yeah, in the okay, we're in the third episode, I guess. Yeah, so in the third episode, they also introduced Kimiko's brother, which was another thing. I just felt like, kyun? Like, kahan se? This just came out of nowhere.
Um, I think that was done to give Kimiko more character in the season
Hmm.
and to put her at conflict with Frenchie. I thought that
Yeah.
was a good move because had they not done that, then she would have become a sort of one note character. First
Yeah.
season, mein, it was the mystery of who is she and everything, so you're kind of intrigued by her. But once that is solved, the only thing left is her powers.
Yeah.
Then बाद में पता did she, other than killing her brother, she didn't have anything else to do with Stormfront, no?
No, no, no. That was it.
No. But
Yeah.
yeah, it I think it was done to give her more character. And again,
Huh.
this I hate to keep reiterating, but this show is so character driven. Holy shit, this show is good. Um and yeah, it may just have been another case of deep had they not done that.
Yeah, that's
So
also
again,
true.
good decision only.
The thing is, like her brother being introduced and all that whole plot, like it was fine. It makes sense, like why they're doing it. But
Hmm.
I didn't like how like it kind of got repetitive like every time the brother betrayed the team, this happened like two times or almost three times in the show.
Two times is okay.
Yeah,
Twice.
and I'm like, I just are you guys stupid? Like, come on, he's gonna betray you. Don't leave that. What was it, like the chips packet or something that Frenchie left in the boat in his room or something?
Yeah, that was kind of contrivance, but
Yeah, yeah.
again,
But I
so
really
so
liked
the
how after the second time he betrays the team, like after drowning out Homelander, like it doesn't go into like another three episodes of finding him or some shit like that. Like he dies in
yeah,
that
they
same
they
episode.
they ended it. Yeah, that's what these people are in control of what they're doing. Which
Yeah.
is why when there's a contrivance, I don't mind it given that the end goal of the contrivance works.
Hmm.
That whole ship thing and the whale. Huey in the whale,
Inside the whales, insides.
hilarious. Holy, I'm fine here.
I mean,
I'm gonna, I'm
watching
gonna stay here.
watching Yui in this game is like watching a level 0 noob go to level 99 master. And he's just in the middle of the progression in this
No,
season.
yeah, he's not even level 99. He's
Yeah,
just
yeah.
hanging out with people who are level 99. And he has to deal with all this shit and they
when,
just have to protect him.
when you're in a party with your teammates, but they're much higher level that they have to carry
It's
you.
like, yeah, it's like how I feel when I play Valorant with you guys.
God.
It's like
उधर मार, उधर मार.
you guys are
Smoke
like
फेंक, smoke
blindly,
फेंक.
मतलब blindfold पहन के एक आंख पीछे रख के you guys are shooting and I have the gun on the guy's head and he's not dying.
God damn. Like I love you. I just love that actor.
That whole sequence, in fact,
Yeah. So
from the boat
yeah.
into the whole underground thing
Hmm.
to the destruction of the city to Stormfront killing the brother
Yeah.
and her doing like a final sort of dig on Homelander
Yeah, at the end.
before before
At
they
the press
start fucking.
conference. Yeah, the press conference at the end
No,
of that
on
episode.
the roof only.
Oh yeah, that's also there. Yeah, beggars can be
Yeah,
choosers
where
or
it's like,
something like that, she says.
you snooze, you lose cramps.
Ha ha.
And I'm like, that is so good.
And that's also the first time we get to see Stormfront's powers properly. And
That
what a great
episode
way
had
to
a lot of shit. Now
yeah,
that I
yeah.
think about it.
And what a great way to show off her powers.
Awesome, awesome.
Like fuck.
Everything
And
just
even at that
connects
point,
well.
here's the thing: till that point, so you don't know what Stormfront's agendas or goals are. You're just taking things at face value at that point, unless you've read the
हाँ, you
comics and all.
know कि उसका थोड़ा कुछ है
हाँ,
mysterious, कुछ evil
yeah,
होने वाला है, but
yeah.
till that point you're like, yeah, she's
I
just a new
honestly
character.
thought like on like I honestly had an inkling that she was who she was showing herself to be. Like, okay, I am the self-aware one. I am the like good one, not good, but like sort of good. Like I can call out on other
I
people's
can
bullshit.
show that I'm good, yeah.
Huh. And then that episode is like, oh fuck, she's worse than Homelander.
And then when she called him yellow bastard or something, I'm like,
Oh,
oh.
okay. I love, I love how
How do you
she's
reveal so much character in like one fucking line?
she's just chaotic evil. She's
More than
more, yeah, probably like it's hard to
no.
rank her and
I think she's lawful evil.
lawful
No,
evil.
she
No,
might be neutral evil. Uh, Gus Fring or whatever his name
uh-huh.
is, he is lawful evil.
He's lawful evil. Homelander would be not really. I mean, Homelander
Homelander
is
is chaotic evil.
no.
Homelander is
Homelander
chaotic
is
evil.
much more calculative
Because
though.
because because if you remember, no, he's manipulative. I don't think he's
Yeah.
like calculative. He's very manipulative. But like if you see, he'll like kill at a whim.
Hmm.
He'll want that clone guy to be himself so he can fuck himself.
I just remembered from this, like, I think in the first episode when the assistant is introducing a new member of the Seven, the blind guy who can like throw
Yeah.
knives and shit.
Yeah.
That entire and you could just feel the tension rising at the start when they introduce him,
Like, oh
and
wow,
and
this
and
is the
and
new
and
character.
I actually like I did like expect it at all, because that Anthony Starr is just so good in that scene, because you genuinely feel okay, like maybe he's like ठीक that he's just kind of seeing like this is like an audition, right? So now what if I do this, and I just knew, oh fuck, he's gonna fucking up real bad.
He's definitely, I think, chaotic evil because even if you remember that vision he had,
Huh.
um, where he's at that riot or rally or whatever,
At the
and he
rally, yeah.
just laser beams everyone. I wished that that had actually happened.
Oh, and because they
I
cut to
knew at the
the
back of my head that it's not
probably, huh?
because it doesn't make sense
Yeah, yeah,
in the story right now,
yeah.
but I wish that had happened. He's definitely
God,
chaotic evil. And then Butcher is chaotic good. Huey is lawful good.
lawful good.
Starlight also lawful good. Frenchie and MM are sort of neutral slash chaotic good.
Yeah. Have we actually gotten their real names, Frenchie and MM? Like I'm sure at some point they did, but
Frenchie का था.
Frenchie ka to in the backstory wal episode only they reveal a lot and all that.
MM का भी था, I think. I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure it's there.
But it's just such a like, who the fuck came up with this name, Mother's Milk? मतलब क्या
I
सोच के
really
तुम
want to
नाम
know
रखे थे?
the story behind that.
What did you
I mean,
think?
I'm
Like,
sure if I read the comics, but that would be awesome.
क्या पी के तुम लोग कॉमिक बुक लिख रहे थे that okay, we're gonna create a very like smart, like interesting and kind of introspective universe, and character का नाम है मदर्स मिल्क. क्या?
We have a guy named Butcher. We yeah, we have a guy named Frenchie. Frenchie इंडिया में अंडरवेयर का ब्रांड है. Yeah.
हाँ, तो let's get back to the episodes, right? So कहाँ पर है हम लोग? So yeah, Stormfront shows up powers and all that, kills off the brother. काफी cool scene. Okay, so we're in episode 4, so we're halfway through the season. Cool. Uh, okay, Liberty. So in this episode, we get more information on this whole Liberty thing. कि like, who is this person? And Huey and they go and they try to figure out, like, they try to find out the history of Liberty, right? And like, I'm gonna tell you that scene when when the person is reciting her that past traumatic event where her brother was killed by Liberty. That whole scene is so dark.
Very.
Like that whole scene, and you like, okay, this show is very gritty and gory. That's fine. Like, you see limbs being chopped off every few seconds. That's cool. But Like
But
she
very
smashed
rarely
her
does it get like,
face.
yeah, very rarely does it get like thematically fucking dark.
Yeah, and like that's what I like.
And
That
this
was
was one
really
of the moments, and it was, I mean, the reveal of Liberty being Stormfront and all also, like, I won't say I should have seen it coming,
yeah. Even
but
me.
अच्छा था. This entire thing is like, bro, ये अच्छा था, bro, क्या था वो, oh my god, so good.
There's gonna be a comment saying
है
you.
अच्छा शो यार,
There will be a
क्या करें.
comment saying you guys are nitpicking and biased. I win. Bye bye. If you didn't get that joke,
Guys,
if you don't
IGN rated
understand,
this 9 out of 10. This is our fucking masterpiece show. And we have to treat it that way now.
बहुत बहुत deep conversation going on right now. We're forgetting half the characters' names. We,
Completely. We're not even talking about half the shit. We're just like, okay, this was the best part of this. This was the best part of this.
I mean, I think sometimes I say, see, we've seen a lot of, like, obviously we both of us have seen a lot of other people's reviews and discussions and all that shit, because आधा hobby तो यही है. तुम episode complete किया, अगला पूरा दिन you see other people's reactions and reviews and shit
True.
like that, and
Exactly.
you'll never admit you watched other people's reactions, but you do. You know you do.
Of course.
Yeah.
I
So
watch, like I said, I read the negative reviews on IMDb because they're so funny.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
like you haven't understood the show and you have the balls to write a review on IMDb where nobody reads reviews.
See, they says the guy who is reading reviews.
Yeah, I need to make fun of it. No, who the hell goes, I should check for reviews on IMDb.
See, that's the thing. Like, never trust user reviews or anything on any website, on any
Fucking
medium, like
no.
movie, video game, nothing. Never trust user
Unless
reviews.
unless unless it's Dave Chappelle, then it's okay.
But yeah, users, it's just crazy. Like, they're making these shows for like normal people, take, and not people like us who are gonna make like 1 hour discussions and shit. They're making
Yeah,
it for
exactly.
normal people.
Yeah,
90%
just
of normal people,
fucking watch.
it's just weird. People are weird, man. So, huh.
Yeah.
क्या हुआ फिर? Someone gets his head smashed. Annie joins Huey and MM. Okay, ये सब तो डिस्कस कर लिए. That's cool.
Oh,
Oh,
speaking of Annie and Huey,
hmm.
sorry, before you get it, I like that they sort of kind of are back together, like just flirting around and all. I liked it because the alternative would be to have them be awkward and teenage angsty and shit, and I would hate that in this show.
Yeah, that's also true.
That
I mean,
also good thing they did.
yeah. Even though I've seen that shit so many times in other like movies and all, like
Yeah, because
we know
at
you're
this
gonna
point
end
it's
up
like,
together. Okay, just
yeah,
कितना
it's
drama
like,
करोगे?
नहीं वो ठीक है, but like I'd like that they weren't all like
Yeah.
Twilight, like, oh, I am angsty, I want you to feel my angst and look at my angst, and you also feel angst.
Angsty. Yeah.
This is a complicated relationship. We are deep people. Fuck that shit.
Speaking of the deep also enters into an arranged marriage in this at the end of this episode. That was a great segue.
That was awesome.
This is see किसी का first podcast episode ऐसा होता है क्या? इतना अच्छा segues and all that shit. No,
In
no,
the
come on.
same episode, like you have this dark fucking backstory on a Nazi character who's smothering people because she's racist, and at the same time you're having half human half fish doing arranged marriages for a church. What is this show?
I don't understand.
Like, hey, Riverdale writers, if you're listening, this is how you do different things in the same episode. Not have a murder autopsy and us next scene fucking cheerleader trials. Fuck you.
I need to watch Riverdale so bad because at
Don't.
this point I've heard so many things, both good
I mean,
and bad.
see, if you're who told you good things, please enlighten
No,
me.
good in like making fun of.
Hmm. Mm.
Because it's a CW show. Okay, I know the standards.
Yeah,
I know CW.
yeah. Just watch it if you're like really depressed or
Chalega,
something. Don't
chalega.
waste your time otherwise, else you might end up killing yourself.
It's
Just
it's
saying.
it's done. No, that show. I think it's finished. No, I think,
I have
or
no
it's still
idea. I
going.
think seeing how popular they are, they might still keep going. I don't know.
I mean, it's CW, so chalta rahega.
Yeah,
Seriously, come on, like
that's true. That's
crazy.
true. Fucking
So yeah,
Arrow 7 seasons, motherfucker. Yeah,
let's not get into that. Like that's a
yeah.
CW
That is
universe.
that
It's
is a different episode.
yeah, वो आएगा बाद में आएगा. Uh, what happens then? Blah 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 blah. Church. That this sentence is just amazing. The church of the collective enters the deep into an arranged marriage. Like that sentence itself has so many things packed into it. It has church, arranged marriage, the deep.
Enter John Mulaney. Now we don't have time to unpack all of that.
Then okay, next episode. What happens? Okay, so this is the episode where Homelander comes across the protest and he dreams about, like, he has this vision about killing everyone. That whole thing happens in this episode. Stormfront and Homelander get it on. That was cool.
It was.
Hmm. I mean that. See,
Yes.
you. I mean, the writers must be like, there aren't enough fetishes
You
in the
know
world.
what? Yeah,
How
you
do
know
we
what we
create
don't
another one?
have enough of in this show? Soups and fucking. What if we put both of them together?
Like, I remember. Okay, so we were talking about CW, right? So this is funny because in the CW Smallville, okay, so some of you old timers, if you watch this, you'll know. Smallville, mein, there's an episode where this later down the line where Clark and he has this girlfriend, ठीक है? Fuck, नाम भूल रहा हूँ उसका, but it's not Lewis. It's before he meets Lewis and all. It's another Lana, Lana
Lois.
or something. No, no, before Lewis.
Lana Lane.
No, fuck, what's her name?
वो तो सुपर बॉय की गर्लफ्रेंड थी ना.
No, no, no. Lana Lang.
Lang.
Nana Nan. Who basically his high school girlfriend and all. So there's an episode where Lana also. It's at this point Lana, she knows that like this guy has superpowers and all that. Take hai. And in that episode, she also somehow gets superpowers, like the same Superman ka powers, and they get it on. Like when they discover this, like, oh fuck, we can do anything. Oh yeah, we don't have to worry. The only thing we have to worry about is the furniture. That's all. And it's a CW show. Okay, so that's a
Yeah.
scene. Just Google it, where they get it on, and they don't show anything, right? They cut off. They cut out into an exterior shot of the house, and it's like
Hmm.
वो थोड़ा shaky type का कर रहे हैं. And they cut to a supporting character like miles away, and
Hmm.
she's like feeling an earthquake or something. Like what the fuck is happening? And this scene is like, you know what? Let's take that, but make it R-rated.
Let's take that, but with Nazis. And it okay, it's fun and silly and stupid, but it also makes sense
Yeah, it makes sense, obviously.
from her point of view and his point of view also. जितना अभी तक build up किया है, it just makes complete sense.
Such an intellectual podcast, right? Am I
Yes,
right?
we're smart.
We are smart.
Sophisticated should be the name of this podcast.
Oh god.
So
Then
yeah.
something happens. Butcher plots his
Oh,
retirement.
them fucking also gives a damn good moment between Butcher and Kimiko,
Yeah.
where they appear on TV together and
Oh,
Butcher's like, they're
they're
fucking.
fucking.
Because
She's
like,
also like,
Two characters I never thought would have any interaction, especially because he shot her brother, or at least
Yes.
tried to shoot her brother.
Yeah, yeah.
So fucking brings people together.
Our like mortal enemies are fucking okay. Friend of my enemy of my enemy.
Enemies, my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next thing, Annie discovers Stormfront has been in contact with Edgar regarding the siege. What the fuck am I reading? Confrontation. Blah 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 blah. Running home. Oh, okay, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. So Maeve, so this whole episode, Maeve, who is the knockoff Wonder Woman, but pretty cool. She's been planning to overthrow Homelander, sort of, because there's the whole
Because he's
thing from
making
the
her life hell,
yeah, yeah, because the
exploiting her lesbianness.
yeah, and okay, okay. From there, let's just go into one of the coolest things that this show did was mocking BVS and Justice League with the whole like movie they were making. Remember in this season, like there was a director who came in Dawn of the Seven.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So,
Where she has to, she saves some girl or something.
haha. So like I love how okay. Let's go back a little bit, right? Like when they
Ah.
introduce the director and their so they introduce that whole storyline with like suddenly out of nowhere an external shot of the building of their headquarters and it has this poster Dawn of Seven, and I just lost it right there. I'm like, oh fuck, they're going there. They're gonna actually mock BVS.
Like, yeah, it because abhi tak jitna mock kiya tha, that wasn't enough. But
And
like,
they double down on it. So in the scene, right, where the director is explaining the script and all that, he's explaining his storyboards and all that shit, and Stormfront is just like, you know what, I would suggest you rewrite the woman, left the female characters because they're all just like Michael Bay characters or something like that. Which I will like, come on, like as if I didn't have enough respect for this show. They went after Michael Bay, BVS, and Joss Whedon, by the way. So there's a scene,
Joss
if you
Whedon.
remember, uh, when they're actually shooting the movie, right? When Maeve ka jo scene hota hai, where she rescues a girl and she's just giving ki I am also like
That's the
you
scene
don't
I was
have to be
talking about. Yeah.
ashamed and all that. Right
Yeah.
after that scene, they say cut, ठीक है, and Maeve takes a break. So she comes to Homelander. Homelander अपने chair पे बैठा है, and Homelander is just like those Joss rewrites are something, right? And
Yes.
and I just went, holy shit! Did they just actually like not just they went full on. They
That
went
I
all
think
in.
is the Seth Rogen influence. Like, this is how producers should interfere, I feel.
The VCU Bot Cinematic
Hey,
Universe,
why don't you make fun of this guy?
and they did interviews
That's
and all
so Seth
later on
Rogen. Yeah.
where like they had to like someone asked in an interview ki, like was that a dig at Joss Whedon or something, and they said ki no, we meant it in a positive way because like Joss is well known for coming into a lot of projects and like rewriting and all. That is actually true, like he's done that a lot. He's in the MCU when he was overseeing phase 2, because before Age of Ultron he was basically overseeing all the other movies.
Hmm.
So like there were stories where he would go to the sets of, it was Thor: The Dark World and I think Winter Soldier to an extent, I think, where he
He
would go to
couldn't
the
fix
set.
Thor.
He couldn't fix Thor, but he did some rewrites and all. So they say they meant it in that way, where like the industry knows Joss Whedon and all his writing and all. But we know that's not what they meant.
Sure.
Sure.
Sure they did. हाँ ठीक है, sure.
You're
हाँ.
calling it Dawn of the Seven. You have
हाँ.
a Superman like character. Come on.
We
You know
believe
what
you.
you're doing.
Understandable. Have a great day.
God damn, I love every time like these shows become super self-aware and like very meta.
हाँ, boys तो already, because it is already satire. It should be meta.
God, I love that shit. So yeah, what happens next, right? Yeah, so Huey and MM and Butch, they visit Butcher's aunt's house. Aunt, right? Yeah. Butcher's aunt's house where
Oh
Butcher
yeah,
is.
that aunt was awesome.
Yeah, and the whole the whole episode, we found out that Black Noir is kind of planning his move against them, and they find out that Black Noir is after them, and they start planning. Like they go into the basement and all. They plan out a whole like tripwires and shit like that at the upper level. And also, Black Noir is very cool. Obviously, like
It's
Black
too
Noir is
cool.
just too cool.
How do you make a character who doesn't say shit?
Did you
Doesn't We
know?
don't even know what he looks like.
Did you know another cooler thing? In the so what they've done is they've taken the basics from the comics, but they've changed a
Hmm.
lot of shit. Take it. They just took the world and the setup of the
As
comics.
as you should
Huh. They
if
just
you're adapting.
no. Like Harry Potter is a good adaptation, but it's still following the books very closely, right?
Yeah, no. It's following the books only because there's so much shit in the books.
No, there's a lot of shit in the comics
And they've
also.
cut down.
What they did is they took the setup and the universe. They didn't take the plot of the comics.
So what Office did
Like they took a similar
with
setup
the
and all
first
that.
season, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
they went on their own shit. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So apparently, I learned this later. In the comics, Black Noir is a clone of Homelander. That Vought was like that vodka. Black Noir was Vaught's secret weapon, sort of, in case Homelander ever went rogue. Yeah, like they obviously didn't do it in this show
That's
at all, but
cool.
that's one thing.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I know, right?
So that's like reverse X-24.
I guess. So that's
Cool.
there.
Cool.
So yeah, Black Noir, he attacks the house and everything. Him and Billy get into a fight. Obviously, no one can stand up to him, and Billy, being the smartest person in the room, just takes a beating. And then he talks to Gus, not Gus, whatever. You know who I'm talking about.
Gus. It's
Gus,
Gus.
Gus. It's Gus. So he talks to Gus Fring and tells him that what's the deal he makes, that you let us go and
You let them go. I will give you Stormfront.
or so. No, that's the second deal he makes.
No,
The first thing was, wait, I'll have to read it again. Fuck,
I
हम लोग
give.
क्या?
Yeah, fuck it. That was a very like complicated thing.
Yeah, by threatening to
मेरे को
release
भी याद नहीं आ
information on Ryan. So he tells Gus that I know about Ryan, like you've been keeping him away,
that
the
he's
child.
a soup. Yeah,
Yeah, that thing. Yeah, that was pretty smart actually. Like I was genuinely curious, how do you get out of that situation? Like how lucky are
yeah.
these characters? Like they've run into fucking
That's the
superheroes so many
thing.
times.
It's like it's that well written.
Yeah, like it rarely feels like plot armor. Like when you see like
Yeah, like you.
black, there's a scene where in that scene Black Noir kind of hits like in the shoulder with a knife or something, and it's like obviously it's, and you actually feel like okay, maybe he's gonna die. It doesn't feel like हाँ ठीक है knife मारा खच क्या है. It actually
Mm.
feels like okay, like there are stakes
Plus,
here.
see that you feel plot armor more when the character that you don't care about and then they keep surviving.
Yeah,
You like everyone here, so you want them to be alive.
yeah,
Like if this season or Frenchie had died, I would have been like, what the fuck? Why?
God. So
So
that
yeah,
happens.
that deal is made and everything. That's pretty cool. I think that's the episode only where him and Homelander and Stormfront take Ryan to the mall.
No, it happens in the next episode. I think it's not written here. So yeah, the next episode is just, we just have 3 more episodes left. So
Hmm.
uh, oh, so this is the episode where we meet Lamplighter. Yeah, Lamplighter.
Oh yeah, and the whole mystery of Mallory's grandkids or whatever is finally revealed.
Yeah.
That also well done, because morally gray character who's now supposedly become better.
Yeah, and I love how it's Sean Ashmore. Like he somehow found a way to get into this show.
I don't know who he
The
is.
the guy who plays Lamplighter.
No,
He
who
was
is
in
he?
X-Men. the Iceman.
I don't remember
एक्समैन में
that.
था. एक्समैन में रोग का बॉयफ्रेंड, द गाय हु कैन मेक आइस एंड प्ले विथ आइस. It's that guy.
Oh, that's him?
Yeah. And it's funny that
I love that.
in this one he's playing with fire.
For all you know, that was done on purpose.
Like the actor just went, you know what, I want to diversify
Hey,
my
I want to,
lineup.
yes, I want to be diverse. Hey, you want to play a superhero? He's like, no, I want to be diverse. Superhero, but opposite.
God. Also funny connection to CW, right?
Uh,
uh, his brother, Aaron Ashmore, he's in Smallville. He plays Jimmy Olsen.
oh,
Yeah.
that's also cool.
Yeah. And I was very confused when I was watching Smallville and Aaron, like that guy shows up and wait, ye, what's he doing here? Also, like X-Men में भी था, इधर भी है, Boys में भी है. Then I had to search and अच्छा, they're brothers. Okay, cool. But yeah, Lamplighter, I really loved his character. He's only there for a short time. He's just there for like
Yeah,
two
boy, in
episodes,
the
but
um
he's really cool.
yeah, because there his whole thing was established last season se only, no?
Hmm.
And they're like, oh, not after what happened to Mallory's grandkids or whatever.
Yeah.
And again, that's the this that's another good thing they showed us. They make reveals, but the reveals work because it's built up over way too long. It's
Yeah.
not like abhi introduce kiya and abhi khatam kar diya. They
Yeah.
build it up over a while, so the payoff is good. It works.
And that whole episode is just so cool. It's a good old Prison Break kind of an episode where
Oh yeah,
you have MM,
nice.
Frenchie, and Kimiko. They break into the that
And
hospital,
the big penis guy.
and the God damn it, like ah, I just like, you know what, in our lifetime we just had to watch something where one person has the superpower of a, like his dick is super
Of
powered.
a yeah, that's his yeah, yeah.
I love MM's reaction after he gets it off his neck. Like, was that his dick?
That is one superhero who should be in the Deadpool universe.
Oh,
Deadpool would spend so much time trying to suck him off. It's not even funny.
it's it's stupider than the Angel in X-Men. You know what his powers is? He can fly. That's all. Like, that's the most boring superpower you can think of. What can you do? I can fly, and
Yeah, at
nothing
least
else.
this is like he can like use it as a lasso.
The lasso of truth compels you.
There was already uses shown in the you can choke a person without them deep throating you. I mean, you can choke a person both ways. Yes, welcome back to
Yes,
Sophisticated Podcast.
yes. But see, here's the deal. Okay, मैं क्या बोलूं इधर? The thing is, see, we're recording right now. It's what 3 a.m. ठीक है. So
It's yeah, shit.
we did a lot of work throughout the day. Like very busy work. तू क्या किया पूरे दिन?
So yeah,
That's and तो 2
Khaya
बजे तक क्या किया? And something busy. Come on, like watching
mo-
movies or playing video games
movie
or some shit
dekha.
like that. See, such a busy person he is. So don't.
Hence, we waited till 3 a.m. to do this.
Actually, why did we wait till like 2 a.m.? तू क्या कर रहा था?
I was watching a movie. Plus, I had some friends over Pele, and we like sort of started. So you know, Euphoria.
Oh, हाँ, हाँ, yeah.
So we had sort of started watching, and I'm like, I don't. They went in the middle, and then I'm like, wait, I don't want to leave this. तो ठीक है, episode खत्म करके देखता हूँ.
So yeah,
It's basically it's what 13 Reasons Why I
I've
want it to
seen,
be.
I've seen Euphoria. I'm really waiting for
Okay.
season 2. तो तू अभी first time देखा Euphoria?
Yeah, I didn't know. I just knew Zendaya was in it, and that's it. So we have only
No.
seen the first episode.
Oh, Euphoria is a great show, man. बहुत प्यारा show है.
Looking
बहुत मजा
forward to it.
आएगा.
Hopefully, the whole, like I said, the teen angst, feel angsty about my
हाँ,
angst. I hope that thing gets toned down a bit, but abhi ke liye it's
हाँ,
theek hai,
that's
it's
gonna
fine.
stay there. But I really like how stylized the show is. Like
It's
the
very well directed.
very well
Very well
directed.
directed.
But
But yeah,
yeah,
back to boys. That will
another
also be another episode.
another well directed show, The Boys. So here, अब क्या
We are
कभी
so good
कभी
at connections.
yeah, I know, right? Lamplighter, okay, that whole thing happens. Now, this is a very important episode, right? Where Stormfront tells Homelander that she's the first soup, essentially. Like, she's the wife of
Yeah.
Frederick Vought. Frederick Vought.
What? Yeah.
And that was a really cool
That
reveal
also set up very well in the first episode.
in the first episode when Gus is telling Homelander about the history. So
Amazing.
that's a really cool reveal. And that actually, like, up until that point, okay, there was some mystery ki, like, why is she like, oh, like, is she immortal or something, because she was acting
Wait,
as
I thought ki her mystery would be done by saying ki she's Liberty and she
huh.
did all those things and all that.
And like,
And then
yeah,
they bring this new layer into it,
yeah,
which is
because
like shit.
at that point I was just thinking, okay, she's just like a very, like, one of Watt's most special agents, and that's why Watt keeps like hiding her after a few years so that she can resurface. But
Hmm.
this, that she's the OG, is
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah, and in hindsight, even that makes sense. Ki you
Yeah,
would reveal that she's the wife or whatever, because all the characters are sort of morally gray,
yeah.
or sort of they do bad things, but it's very justified by who they are and what they've been through.
Hmm.
And had Stormfront ka thing just been, oh, she's Liberty, she's a Nazi, she's evil.
Yeah, that would be
In
kind of one note.
hindsight, that would have been a little weaker.
Hmm.
So I think that's why they did it. And but again, it works. Guys,
Works
9 out
perfectly.
of 10 IGN. The show's good.
And so the whole prison break sequence happens, right? Where again, like, we see Stormfront come in and all, but they set up a certain thing with one of the patients, the bald one, uh, her like escaping the place, that asylum slash hospital, whatever it was, her leaving the
Hmm.
place, and like we don't meet her for the rest of couple of episodes. So she's gonna return in season 3 in some big capacity, I imagine.
Yeah.
They don't answer, like, they don't show her after that episode.
Yeah, like what I just said about setups with this show, she's going to return.
Yeah, and her power are also really cool, which is just she can just crush anything with her mind. That's all. But
Yeah.
that's like, just the way they show that power is so cool.
Oh, what if her head gets blown up? Eric Kripke, if you're listening.
Yeah, I'm sure
Eric
ऐसे
Kripke देखेगा ना हमारा podcast.
ब्रो मेरे पास आइडिया कैसे नहीं आया ब्रो
Shout out Seth Rogen.
And then yeah, the second last episode is Congresswoman, yeah, Victoria, the Congresswoman. She announces this hearing, right, for what, which, like, the episode ends with that hearing, but she announces the hearing with Lamplighter set to come in, but obviously that doesn't happen. Like, uh, one of the main events is that Huey and Lamplighter, they break into a Vought to rescue Starlight. That's what happens in that episode.
Yeah.
And the way they resolve Lamplight's character, Lamplight is there for 2 episodes, and like I
And
was,
he's a fucking
he
very
steals
intricate
it.
character.
Yeah, like it
Very
doesn't,
intricate character.
it doesn't, you like at the end of it you feel like, okay, I've been watching Lamplighter for a long time, because they set up his backdrop, but his
Set up his story in the
yeah,
first season.
they set up his story in the first season. They go really deep into his backstory here. You get to see like his connection to Stormfront. Like there's just so much to that character, and they did it in just 2 episodes. It's just crazy. And
Mad.
he
Actually,
fucking
this
dies.
season they like okay. Season one was very very smooth and very, of course it was intricate,
Yeah,
but this took it to another level just because the amount of shit that is in each episode.
yeah,
There is a lot going on,
and it still somehow manages to like
and it
mostly
all
cap it all off properly.
interconnects,
Yeah,
and it all has a place except for deep. I mean, kind of debatable, whatever. But
and we haven't even talked about
it's
A Train. A Train had a whole arc going on by himself.
yeah, that was a little like okay, uska payoff also one of the things I didn't really like, because he's like, oh,
Yeah.
I brought you files, now we're even. You killed his girlfriend.
Listen, it
Papers, like,
listen,
okay,
it
fine.
made it made for a good meme, so it's worth it.
Was it a good meme? I didn't think it was a good meme. It's just
Listen,
him
it
saying,
it
and now
made
we're even.
okay. It made for a good
The
anti meme.
I guess.
The
But
anti memes
yeah,
were really
so
cool.
oh yeah, I love how Lamplighter, he kills himself, no, by burning
Yeah, yeah.
himself.
He burns himself in front of the statue where, like, he just gets upset that his statue would be there among the rest of the seven, but they had removed it. So, like, I just love the way he
Yeah.
delivers it. I wanted to do it in front of the statue, and you just feel so sad for him. Kya? Oh,
Yeah,
fuck,
you're
you mean
like,
burning yourself?
and उधर भी बेचारे ह्यूई को he has to like take
Slice
the
off his
whatever
hand.
from the Huey goes to so much shit. He gets crushed into a whale. He's just like, peace, I'm out. He's like, you want to come? I'm good.
Like, Yui has gone through
One of the
so much
best
shit.
moments. One of the best moments. Because there's so much crazy shit going on. That's actually a very human moment, surprisingly.
Yeah.
Because if you crashed into a whale, you also would be frozen by shock. Like,
मैं
this is
chill
fine.
करेगा इधर is fine. It's that meme of
the,
everything
the dog.
burning. This is fine.
This is fine.
God.
That should have been the meme to come from the season, not now or even. That should have been the meme.
and and it's just so great that we're talking about these memes and all, and we're gonna be so lazy. We're not gonna put them up on screen at all. So आधे viewers को कुछ idea नहीं अपन लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं.
अबे memes का पता रहेगा यार.
नहीं रहेगा. I guarantee you,
What
anti
are you
meme.
saying?
No one's gonna get the anti memes. This one people will understand. This one obviously everyone has seen like hundreds of thousands of times.
हाँ.
But the we even now bitch. That anti meme was so cool. But yeah, like this show has given us so much, guys. Come on.
Yeah, this show is just.
uh, this shit happens, and also the coming back to A Train, he also joins the church for a short while, right? He joins the church alongside
Yeah.
Deep, and he gets more out of the church than the Deep.
Yeah, it's like, in a sense, the church was the sort of recycle bin for the writers. It's
Hmm.
like, oh, we can't figure out what to do with this character. Church. Because think about it, even A Train, like, logically, it would be ki he would blow the whistle on Annie.
Yeah,
But he doesn't do that.
yeah, yeah.
So now the writers are like कि अच्छा अभी क्या करें इसके साथ.
Anxiety देते चलो. Let's give him a fucking
Yeah,
condition.
like
Like he's got a heart condition. Yeah, he's got a heart condition.
I mean, yeah,
Yeah.
we get that he didn't blow the whistle because even he had killed Popclaw in the first season,
Ha ha.
and she has that against him. That's fine. But after that, what do you do with him?
Yeah.
Church.
And then we come to the last episode. I mean, this has been a very introspective episode. We we went so deep
Oh
into so
yeah, we
many
have
things.
analyzed the fucking lives of these characters. We have extracted thematic ideas which
Oh fuck,
nobody
we
other
we
than us could have.
we skipped over so much shit. So okay,
We
TLDR,
have
right?
skipped over a lot of
Uh,
shit. Yeah.
Ryan. Oh wait, yeah. There's another cool scene that happens in this episode, the second last episode, where uh, it's happy family time with Homelander, Stormfront, and Ryan. Right? It's so
Yeah,
happy,
that
so
I was
wholesome.
like so when that happened, I was like, okay, this is going to blow up in someone's face.
Yeah,
For sure.
yeah, bro.
Because
Like,
it felt so awkward.
and even with fucking like, okay, like both are evil, your Homelander and Stormfront, but you can tell Homelander really genuinely cares about his son. Like there are some scenes which really connect so well. Like when they're at the cabin, right? Or no, let's go back. When they go to that mall or restaurant or that mall, and like Ryan is just feeling very uneasy, so he just picks him up and just flies off without even
Hmm.
talking to Stormfront or consulting her. So
Hmm.
like that's a really
That's
cool
true.
thing.
That care, even though it stems from a place of like he's like
Yeah,
lonely and isolated, so he needs someone to connect to.
yeah,
But I'm glad it does grow
yeah,
because it just raises the stakes further for the final episode.
yeah. So they take
Also well done.
Ryan back to the that what do you call it? The cabin?
The cabin
Yeah, in the woods.
where he fucked himself.
Oh, that shit also happened, right? Fuck it, skip karo. So they take how ये क्या फूक के लिखे थे शो बताओ मेरे को like what would anything's
I'll have
happening.
what they're having.
So they take Ryan back to the cabin, and like him and like Homelander and Ryan have a heart to heart. That's really cool. Like I really love that conversation where he just says that like when I was growing up I didn't have anyone, I was a lab rat, but like
Mm.
I don't want that for you. I want you to like I want to teach you the ropes and all that. And around that part, we also have the great scene where Stormfront is just telling Ryan about white genocide, and and Homelander is just like, bitch, what the fuck?
Bitch.
Like, ठीक है, evil हो, तुम कुछ ज्यादा ही हो रहे हो.
Like yeah,
How are
that
you?
shows that, and again it, yeah, it just sets up stakes for the final decision that he makes in the last episode, which we'll get to, because it's like this, it there's like a glimmer of hope ki, oh, he's finally humanizing,
Yeah.
he's finally let go of his need to be loved by everyone
Hmm.
and his isolation because he's found his son or whatever and he's connected.
Yeah.
And then the final episode happens and it's like, well, fuck you.
Okay. So yeah, let's get to the final episode, right? सब कुछ setup
Oh
है.
man.
Butcher learns about the whole kidnapping. They all suit up, so to say, and go to like enact a plan to rescue Ryan. And that was a really cool sequence where they initiate the plan, like set off like a bomb at some place, not bomb, like that it's like a sonic frequency or something, which fucks with Homelander and his son. And
I think so.
that's what sets off Homelander to be like, okay, you stay here. I'm gonna check out what's happening.
Yeah.
And then like Butcher comes in, takes off Ryan, cool. And then when Homelander comes back and sees all those guards from what? Did I just hear you say Butcher? Just slightly takes the
Oh.
door, closes the door. Where's my son? Just imagine being a guard in that room. You
Pants brown.
and like okay, we know Homelander like he can just like laser off everyone in like half a millisecond, right? That's not a problem. But the fact that when you see him get out of that room and he's just bloody, you know he didn't go the easy route.
Yeah, you know he didn't just do one laser and oh they're dead.
Yeah.
He probably like flew through them.
Tomatino punch goes through everyone.
Alternate universe Tomatino. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Oh shit. Okay, what happens then? Yeah.
And
So
then the fucking
Stormfront
that.
comes in. Stormfront comes in.
Yeah.
She like a really cool scene. Stormfront comes in. She starts like engaging with Starlight and Kimiko, and like it looks like a pretty like sort of even fight. Like Stormfront has a slighter edge, and then when Maeve
Maeve.
drops in, fuck.
And that's, I wish Frenchie hadn't said girls really get it done.
Yeah,
That would have just hit the point home even more.
yeah. But I
Ki the
still
whole
like
girls get it done thing.
yeah. I'm still fine with him saying. I would have preferred he didn't say it, but I'm
Huh,
still
yeah, yeah,
fine
yeah. I'm still
because
fine with this.
because it wasn't cringe.
Yeah, it really wasn't. It was like, girls do get it done.
Yeah,
It's
yeah. It wasn't
fuck
like that.
off.
It's not like the CW.
Yeah, it was just a sort of like reminder, like, remember we said that.
And that was just such a like this whole season like we've had really like some of the most like the female characters in this show got quite a lot to do in this not just
A
the episode but the
lot.
whole season. Like Maeve had a whole fucking arc with her sexuality
Starlight,
and all
they
that.
all go through a lot of shit
Yeah,
except for Stormfront, maybe.
yeah,
Obviously, because she's the villain.
yeah,
Starlight goes through shit with like Huey and her mom and stuff.
yeah.
Kimiko goes through shit with her brother and dying or whatever.
Hmm.
Maeve goes through shit because she's fucking tormented by Homelander.
Yeah.
And Stormfront is just like, I'm above you bitches. And then last episode happens.
So they start fighting. Maeve drops in. They start kicking her ass, and okay, like it's like they and I love it how they're not even using like their like extravagant superpowers. They're just beating her up. They're just kicking her.
Yeah, they're just like humanely like,
It's just
fuck
this,
you.
it's
You're
just like
not
a
worth using my powers.
it's like a street brawl or some shit. I love
Yeah.
it. And she just has to fuck off. Like fuck, I've had enough. मैं निकल रही हूँ. I love it. And my god, like Stormfront, she is just so evil.
Then the best scene, maybe not the best scene, but the it leads to the best moment
Yeah,
in the show. The in the middle of the woods, Stormfront has the mom, Julia, whatever her name was.
yeah, yeah,
I think she has her in a lock or
yeah,
something.
yeah. She's strangling her basically.
Yeah. Butcher can't do anything.
Butcher,
Homelander can't do anything.
Homelander isn't there yet, and Ryan is
He
having
isn't there
a
yet.
he isn't there yet, and Ryan is
And
just having a
Ryan,
Man of Steel moment.
that may have been the best moment in TV this year.
God, like the
Ryan has to
payoff.
kill his mom? What the fuck?
And I love
For a
how
second, just for a second, I thought that even this show would let the mom live
yeah, like plot armor.
just because it's Ryan.
Yeah,
But no, they kill her off, and I'm like, excuse me? Did
God, I
he
love
just
it.
kill his mom?
And I think this is the first time in the whole show, like we've seen heat vision being used a lot throughout the show. Okay, Homelander has used it a lot, but this is the first time we actually see Stormfront burned to the crisp.
Oh,
She gets
yes.
properly Anakined.
Actually, I was just thinking that she really resembles Anakin after High Ground.
Yeah, after I god damn. And she's actually so like she's completely burnt and on, and she's reciting something in German. And
Hmm.
some people actually like translated that like obviously on the community boards and forums and all that, and she's basically reciting it's as if she's back in her youth. She's with her husband Frederick Watt, and they're at some date or something, and it's like she's talking to Frederick, like uh, she's just having some normal conversation, and she's just reciting that because at that point her brain is just fried, literally.
Hmm.
And that was
So
a
she's
really
just
cool
sort of
detail.
going back to her roots.
Yeah, she's going back to her roots because at that point when, and then like obviously we see Homelander fucking drop in, and I love that shot. It's just a beautiful
Another
shot.
another fucking amazing moment where Maeve just exposes him. Like, are you really gonna let your love for the people get in the way of this? And he just stands there defeated and he fucks off. How do you follow? Did that come after Ryan killed his mom?
After like after Ryan
After, na?
kills
How do
everyone,
you?
Butcher comes in. He talks to the mom. Like okay, she's like okay, he's a good boy. Like
Yeah,
it's not
yeah.
his fault. Blah blah blah.
Good boy.
And then Homelander drops in. He like talks to like tries to talk to Stormfront, and then Homelander looks at Ryan. "Okay, Ryan, did you do this?" And Ryan gets behind Butcher, and then Maeve comes in, and
Yeah.
who like Homelander
Like
has
उसमें
gone through so much
Maeve
shit.
का revenge and
Yes.
Homelander expose and Butcher and Ryan get saved. How the fuck do you make this?
Like talk
It's
about
so perfect.
payoffs.
It's so perfect.
I love it. So like uh
Followed by the best moment in the show.
which one? Him jacking off.
Worthy of a no. This follows the best moment in the show.
Yeah. Go on.
Ryan killing his mom. Holy shit.
Yeah, even I didn't like see like even I was thinking okay he's gonna laser off Stormfront
That
and
was the last thing I was thinking. Like, Ryan will not kill his mom.
yeah
There
yeah
is some other way. Maybe like Kimiko comes and saves
yeah
or
yeah
something.
god damn.
Fuck.
And they also resolve so many things like at the end of it, like after this whole thing happens, Mallory, right? No, not Mallory. Who's the yeah, it's Mallory, the woman who's been the like she's the woman who's been helping Butcher and his team, like who
Yeah,
clears their
Mallory.
names. So like it pays off really well in the sense that if you remove uh say Victoria, the person, the congresswoman, that whole plot, if you remove that, it could like it would have been a much more uh, closed out ending.
Yeah, but obviously they don't want to do that because the
That's fine,
whole
and we don't
like
want that either. Like we want to
oh,
karo
of
tum,
course not, of
keep it,
course, correct.
keep going
Jo,
at it.
jo, jo करना है, जो करना है.
So,
It's like
uh,
yeah,
and the next scene,
that's
yeah.
what I
So
think. By this point, we've established that the whole sort of structure of the show is set up. We will set up like 5 seasons before,
yeah,
and then we will pay it off, and you bastards will like it.
so
So
they
yeah, it's all set up. It's all fucking set up for the
they
next season.
they clear up everyone's names. Like no one is like a fugitive anymore. A Butcher sends off Ryan into custody, like safe custody with Mallory. Um,
With the best send off line.
remember what I
Don't
told
be a
you?
cunt.
Don't be a cunt. That is so Butcher.
That's the most butcher parenting ever.
God, I love that scene. Don't be a cunt. Like, of course वो वही बोलेगा और क्या बोल सकता है ये. So
Ah,
that happens, and then yeah, and then we see, like, of course, with the church, we go back to the church, right, where in the previous episode, uh, A-Train is back on the team, Deep is not in the team. So Deep basically just says fuck you church, and he leaves the church. And now
yeah.
the guy, the church ka, the head guy, he's talking with a congresswoman, and
Hmm.
he's just kind of making a backdoor deal. He, ठीक है, like, we'll, like, you'll give us funds for the church and some shit like that. And then that reveal happens that it's Victoria who has been the killer all along.
Just, just.
And then now, and after that scene happens, you go back and rewatch, like, the press conference scene where everyone's heads was getting blown off,
Hmm.
and you start watching Victoria's reactions. Okay, like, who is she
Yeah,
looking
yeah.
at
Boy,
and all
that's
that
what
stuff.
was playing in my head. Because it's like she's sort of reacting like, oh my god, she doesn't react how you would expect a normal person to react.
Yeah,
When your right hand person's head fucking blows up, you might freak out.
yeah, she was the most in shock. Like, everyone else was freaking out and screaming and running around.
Ha, she was like, yeah,
Yeah, but also it
it
was done
basically
really
makes
well.
sense.
It makes
It
sense.
was,
That's
yeah,
the best thing. Like, it makes
it makes
sense.
complete sense.
So, like, it's
So
revealed
yeah, season two,
she's a secret soup and she has her own agenda. Like, she wants to bring Watt down, and but she's not a, like, good person completely. Like, she's fucking blowing off people's heads. Come on. So,
of course,
and
she's not a good person. That's the whole thing of the
yeah, yeah,
show. That these people you think are good, they're not good.
and we have poor uh, what's his fucking name, Huey, joining her and getting a job. Like, that guy can't catch a break.
Like obviously, I know she's not gonna kill Huey then and
Yeah,
there
yeah, yeah,
because third season may you need him,
yeah.
but
And she
there was
needs,
there
like,
was still some anxiety, you know.
yeah, like Victoria's agendas are very different. Like, she's kind of like a third wheel, right? Like, she's not completely, like, she's not on the side of Watt. Obviously, she
Yeah,
wants to take down Watt.
she's not what, she's not the boys.
Yeah,
She's a completely different villain.
she's not the boys.
Yeah,
Nice
I mean,
observation.
we are film bros, guys. Uh,
Really love the subtle naming.
so yeah, she is a completely different villain, which good. I
Yeah,
mean, third season you're adding a third sort of angle to the show, the like the dynamic of the show.
yeah,
So yeah, season 2, I mean, we're not going to get into technical aspects, they're all good.
yeah.
Direction is awesome, lighting is awesome, sound and editing, blah blah blah, all good, amazing.
God damn. But I like, there are certain, like, for some reason, just the shot of like, with this one shot, like, there are many shots which will stay in your mind, but one shot which, like, really, when I think back, like, that shot comes in my head is when Homelander is flying back to see Stormfront's dead body. Just the
Mm.
way it's shot, like, he's just floating down. He's not flying. He's just, like, slowly floating down. He's fucking bloody and shit. Oh, I love that shot so much. It felt like a very Zack Snyder moment, the
I
way
was
it was
just about
shot.
to say that. I didn't want to bring up Zack Snyder because wo
That,
controversial person hai, but yeah, it
no,
was.
like, it's fine. Like, we understand all that shit. Like, we're not gonna get into fanboy arguments. Take it.
We are chasing trends, bro. Just say he's controversial.
I love BVS. Okay, I love Justice League, the one which is going to come, not the one that came out.
Did you just give an opinion on the internet? A contradictory opinion.
See, guys, see, here's the thing. Okay, this is called seeding. So what's
It
gonna
was
happen
nice
is,
knowing you. See you in the next life.
no, they're gonna come back for the eventual Justice League discussion whenever we do that.
Oh
It's gonna
my
be amazing.
god.
Take it.
That is just
And
enlightening.
like this one, we've talked for what? Mm, fuck, 90 minutes. We've talked for 90 minutes on this. Yes.
Okay
So,
then.
so just imagine when we actually talk about something big like that, like fucking Justice League or something like that, which is like मैं तो उस दिन पूरा I'm gonna be the verbal Wikipedia. I'm gonna, that thing is gonna be crazy whenever that happens. And if we do that, because first episode, come on, odds are you're not gonna see any episode from us ever after this one. It might as well happen. Who knows? Okay.
Yeah.
That's gonna happen at some point. So like when's the next तू अभी जा रहा है ना बाहर, so we're gonna do the next thing what 2 weeks later or something, 1 week later.
One week from now.
Yeah, 1 week
I'll be
from
back
now.
on the second, so
Huh. So
so yeah, overall impressions of the boys, just to conclude this episode.
Hmm.
Um good show, guys.
the
We
guy who
recommend
person who's
watching it.
watching this, bro, Amazon पे लिख देता है IMDb rating. मैं क्यों देखा? मैं 1.5 घंटा क्यों देखा तुम लोगों को? Just to recap the fucking
But
highlights.
no, okay. So like if we're legit like reviewing this,
हाँ.
this genuinely is what Game of Thrones should have been. Because I have a controversial opinion of Game of Thrones
Hmm.
also, which
Hmm.
as long as we're talking, just get it done. There are legit only like 2.5, maybe 3 seasons of Game of Thrones that are genuinely amazing.
Hmm.
The rest is pretty shit, to be honest with you. Like, have you seen Game of Thrones?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, in my opinion,
See,
second
obviously
half of
the last 2 3 seasons
last
weren't
two,
great,
three
but
seasons,
we're
the
not.
so
They were
to
bad.
me, it's like second half of season 2,
Huh?
season 3, 4,
Yeah.
and then a few episodes of season 6
Six
were
ka. Okay.
amazing. 6 May when Jon Snow gets revived, The
Huh.
Door,
Yeah. Yeah.
um, and the last 2 episodes, Battle of
Yes.
Bastards, Winds of Winter. Those were amazing. Those actually justify the stature that Game of Thrones is at.
Hmm.
No other season, no other episode actually justifies Game of Thrones being considered like holy grail of TV shows.
Huh. That Holy Grail thing, though, obviously is gonna get overblown
Had the
anyway.
final season been good, I would have forgiven it. But it, let's just say it wasn't. So fuck Game of Thrones. This is what Game of Thrones should have been. Awesome characters, everything interconnects perfectly.
Here's the
You
thing,
set
though.
up things and pay it off well, and
We,
stop trying to take yourself so fucking seriously and important.
we're in season 2. Don't say things so prematurely. It's just season 2.
Listen, if like, I know, but we should have faith,
And
I
honestly,
believe.
I don't want this show to go on too long. Like I want this show to, because just the way this show is set up, like even the Victoria thing, like I loved the reveal and all that, and I'm excited to see what's gonna happen. But like it feels like they wanted some new things for season 3, so
Yeah,
this
yeah, yeah. So,
happened.
so, so because see, here's
I'm
the
sure
thing.
they'll connect it
If
somehow later, but still, like for now, it feels
it's
like that.
it's honestly the same way I felt at the end of season one. It's like, what are they gonna do now?
Huh.
It's not like 24, where 24 is like, acha, har season, oh, he's an anti-terrorist, so you just put one new terrorist, and now one whole day revolves around that.
New level unlocked.
New, yeah, or it's not like House where every episode has a new case or some shit like that. This is
Mm-hmm.
a proper linear story where you genuinely don't know what the fuck is gonna happen,
Yeah.
or more like you kind of know what's gonna happen, but you don't know how they're gonna make it good, I should
Yeah.
say.
Because they have overarching goals, right? For like season one,
Very overarching.
the whole thing was ki Butcher wants to get revenge against Homelander, and at the
Yeah.
end of it, like they come, they have a face off, and it ends in a very different way. But you still feel like okay, what was set up came to pass. They faced off, and some kind of resolution happened. This
Mm.
season, it was a little bit kind of messy at the start, where you didn't know like kya raha hai? Like what's the point of this season? Like where is it all leading up? Later you learn,
Mm.
okay, because this Stormfront thing and Ryan is the main, let's just say, MacGuffin of this whole season. Like he's
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
kind of
He
like the
is.
central the goal that everyone is like, these guys are trying to protect, these guys are trying to
Most
attack,
people are, yeah, yeah, yeah.
and even Watt is interested in him. So there's that. So like the next season, and we know next season a few details, right? That uh, what's the name? Jensen Ackles, the guy from Supernatural. He's joining next season as Soldier Boy. So you remember? Yeah, I know. Sounds like a
The
fucking meme, but no.
the rapper.
Soldier Boy or Soldier, what's his name? Whatever. Like the so. Remember when in the first episode of this season when Gus was telling Homelander the history of what,
Yeah.
and he was telling about a guy who was essentially the Homelander before Homelander, like a Captain America kind of character. So that character is gonna come in season 3,
Oh,
and it's played by the
that's cool.
guy, uh, one of the guys in Supernatural.
Supernatural.
Yeah. So like I haven't seen Supernatural. I've only seen literally one episode
Neither
of
have I.
Supernatural. But like
People
it,
say it's good or whatever. It seems like a nice casual time pass show.
but then like
Uh,
you look at the Amazon thing, you say Sola season. Nahi bhai.
15-16 season, like,
Don't have the
yeah,
time.
no.
Sorry.
Luckily, it's ending, abhi.
It ended already, or it's ending, going to end or something,
Final
I
season,
guess.
whatever. But yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, those are our thoughts on the boys.
Yeah.
Good show, guys.
Good show. Good show. क्या करे? What's the outro? Fucking, we're just so fucking lazy.
So not lazy. Listen, A, this is our first episode. B, we're doing this because we're bored. C, there is no editing. So good night.
Are you gonna say the holy words? You know the
What?
words.
No,
Come
I
on.
don't.
This is a YouTube video. You know the holy words that every YouTube
Oh
people
my
have to say.
god. No, I refuse to say that.
Come on, just say it
I
ironically.
refuse.
If you thought Game of Thrones ended like shit, hit a like button.
Hit that bell icon to know when we upload new
If you
videos.
think Zack Snyder is amazing, say that he's amazing in the comments, because I'm gonna need all of you when that episode does happen. Okay, I'm gonna need that army. So that's there. And
If
what
you
else?
like
Or
high
kya?
class sophisticated podcasts where we analyze the intricacy of film and film as a genre, please subscribe.
I mean, okay, here's the thing. Let's be serious for a second here. Uh, we're gonna do that actually. We're gonna like there will be some discussions and all where we will get kind of technical, because like that's what we are doing at college
Yeah, yeah,
essentially, right? So
obviously.
like this episode was extremely casual. That's the whole idea कि जब बस OBS में थोड़ा बहुत आता है मेरे को बटन दबाना, so I'm just doing that. But there will be some episodes where we will later get more technical and all that.
Hmm.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah, obviously.
Definitely
So
in the
so
Justice League
our
episode.
um
I have to see
this
that.
was 90 minutes.
Yeah,
That is going to be as long as the Snyder cut.
it's gonna be longer.
Longer, bitches. Um so
That
yeah,
was
so yeah, the just for the sort of future of this podcast,
yeah,
we our main guide is the monthly theme that we're gonna do. So for
yeah,
example, if one month we're doing Batman, we're gonna do alternate between Batman movies and games. And if we don't cover everything in that month, another month, maybe in the future, we'll come back to Batman.
Hmm. Hold
So
his
that's
words
the kind
against
of.
him because he is talking about months. Literally एक episode अभी हम लोग किए हैं. So hold that
It's
against him.
pandemic. We have nothing to do, bro.
Yeah, I know, but like we're gonna find some shit where we're gonna get busy. Not in a like, oh my
Oh
god,
yeah.
serious
Also,
काम.
we have no like upload schedule. हमको जब मन करेगा हम upload कर लेंगे.
Yeah.
So hit that bell notification so you get not.
Oh, by the way, I'm thinking, you know what? Let's just put this. Obviously, it's gonna go up on YouTube, but we're also gonna put this up in audio form, and like so you can find it in any like podcast app or whatever you use. Because like, listen, it's 3 a.m. If you're also getting bored, but you're too lazy to fucking watch a video because it requires physical energy to watch a video, वो podcast पे just click on it and just listen to our soothing voices, है ना?
So soothing.
Wait, एक second. Say that again.
So soothing. Ah.
I'm gonna take this clip, like that
Oh
audio
my
waveform,
god.
and I'm gonna make it the outro. This thing, the
Wait, you're
graphic,
you're
right?
still recording, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, cool.
No, I didn't cancel recording. You kidding or what? See, this show is gonna include bloopers while we're doing the show. It's the real fucking experience. Okay, we need to keep it real.
Yes, yes. So yeah, I guess that's it.
Yeah. Thank you for watching the
First
video. If
episode
you do,
down.
uh,
Um
yeah. So thank you for watching the video. If you did, if you didn't, we'll know, and that'll hurt us and it'll hurt our feelings. Hit the. Listen, you know how YouTube works, okay? Somehow you ended up on this video. Pretty sure you know how YouTube works, okay? You've watched enough
you
videos
were
to go
yeah,
into
you
the
you
rabbit
were
hole.
probably watching like Victorian antique videos and this somehow got recommended to you because that's how YouTube works.
So to all our boys out there, hit the like button. Wait,
Yes.
hit
And
the
girls, fucker was talking to me about inclusivity.
हाँ तो girls hit the dislike button. No, we like the engagement. So girls hit the dislike button. Guys hit the
Boys,
like
girls,
button.
trans, whatever you identify as,
Everyone.
please just give us views. We don't care who you are.
Enter the click the subscribe button because like I mean it's not gonna hurt you at all, right? It's not gonna hurt you. uh Bell icon, I mean if you want to troll yourself, sure, go for it.
If you want to laugh just once a week over what shows up in your sub box, please hit the bell.
Thank you. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love when our other like classmates and all watch this. Somehow we're not
Oh
gonna tell
my
them. We're
god,
not
the
gonna tell them
amount
right
of.
now. No, mother. We're not gonna tell them right now. We're gonna
Okay.
record a few episodes, and then we'll accidentally send a link to them. Oh shit, गलती से दब गया. And I'm pretty
Oh,
sure
I
this
didn't
will.
mean to send you the entire playlist of all our uploads.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, a really good video and podcast series. Watch pretty much it. Really cool. Wanna plug them in, but they don't need our plug though. They're pretty successful,
How
unlike
the
us.
fuck are we gonna help them?
I don't know. Every little bit counts, Pancho. The 3 people are gonna watch this. 3 people are gonna subscribe to them. Makes sense. Positivity. So yeah, that's about it. You have any closing outro?
No.